Hi, welcome. In this video, I just wanted to complete the repair on a Dell screen replacement. Here I have a 40-pin connector and also a touchscreen, and this is a 14-inch LCD screen. Alright, so this is the broken screen, and I got the new screen just came in. Let's go ahead and replace it. So that is the LCD cable, 40-pin connector. Slide it in, push down the clipper to lock it in, and pull that little tape to tape it down on that LCD. So here's the one that I like to pay attention to, is to install the screen. Definitely that the double-sided adhesive tape, you need to tape it down on both sides. That is the one that is holding down the screen, so make sure you have enough tape, tape it good. At this point here, so kind of lay it down, a line here on the top corner, let it drop, push it down on both sides. And before I put the bezel back in, I like to turn on the computer. So plug in the charger, okay, the power light is on. I removed the battery in this purpose, so I still need to reinstall the battery, but I just wanted to turn it on, make sure the screen works. Looks like the Dell comes on, everything works. More likely it's going to boot into this BIOS screen and ask me to do the configuration because the battery was removed for a long period of time. The BIOS screen is going to show up, so I'm going to press and hold down the power button, shut off the computer, unplug it. That's when I know that the screen is good to go. So I just need to install the bezel. Slide it in. Make sure you peel the film. Why would they tape it so hard? The film is not coming off. Let's see. Please check the link down description below. I'll link it to the first part of the video where I removed the screen. That is the original video. I wasn't able to complete the installation because the screen was never here until it just came into this. So I will try to fix this one with the glue on it. Hold on the bezel. Done on that part. Turn it around. Okay. Let's finish it up installing the battery. Please make sure you check the link down description below if you want to find out the beginning part of the replacement screen. I'll link it in the description. And again, if you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen, please check in the description down below as well. I got this one through eBay. I'm sure I'll try to link it to Amazon if you're Amazon Prime shopper. I know a lot of you guys have Amazon shoppers, so that is a lot easier in case if you bought the wrong screen. I can always return it. Alright, that's pretty much it. I will finish up the rest of other stuff, and thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.